Hi, I'm Mark PR, Product Manager at Capturx, the maker of Capturx software. We're working with medical teams to create tools that help digitize and streamline medical records processing. We've created a Capturx software application which enables medical teams to use digital pins to digitize medical records as they are written on paper forms. Our Capturx software enables teams to collect, track information written on ordinary paper using digital pins. As the pins write, the handwritten information is scanned and stored on the pin along with precise time and date of each ink stroke. Teams can fill out many medical forms throughout the day using Capturx digital pins, and Capturx automatically keeps track of the data, the users, the forms, allowing medical professionals to spend more time on patients instead of managing paper or being distracted by mobile computers. Today I will show you how Capturx software improves processing and digitizing of medical records. Let's take a look. So here I have two patient records of forms that I've printed on ordinary paper that I can simply fill out with my digital pen, as you see here. One form has an image of a patient where I can visually identify wounds on the patient. It also has different fields for checkboxes and comments. And additionally, I have another form here that is a typical super bill form. And again, it has fields such as date, patient name, free text fields, in addition to checkboxes that identify different diagnoses. And so then I can continue to fill out the form according to the fields that are shown. Once I've completed filling out my paper forms, I can simply take my digital pen and dock it via this port, which is connected to my computer via a USB cord. So once I've connected my digital pen to my PC, the data, or the patient data, is automatically integrated into Microsoft Office Excel, as you can see here in this screenshot. So Capturx is an add-in into Excel itself, and to get to the Capturx toolbar, you simply go to the Capturx tab, as you can see here. Once I created a form in Excel itself, I digitally enabled the form by selecting this button, and then I formatted each cell within the form according to the data that I wanted in that cell. So for instance, text for text fields, checkboxes for checkbox fields, and so on. Once I was done formatting the form, I simply printed it using the Capturx icon, which you see here. Now, as you can see, all of my data has been integrated into the right formatted cells. And one of the cool features within Capturx is that I can toggle back and forth between my original handwriting and the converted text. And so I'll do that right here by selecting this button. And you can see my original handwriting within each field. And then I'll toggle back and you can see the converted data. And again, this happens automatically once I dock my digital pen. You'll also notice that we have a review pane on the right-hand side of the screen here. And this review pane allows you to review each cell one by one, and you get a handwritten representation here, and then you get the actual cell value, and then you get candidates or suggestions for each field. So I've already reviewed each of these, and I can simply approve the remaining fields and deselect the review pane. And now I can simply save this form and make it available to other persons on the medical team, or I can use it to archive. So you'll also notice that we did some conditional formatting. So here I wrote down as a pulse at 180, and that gave a red light, or a warning light, if you will. And then also down here I have blood pressure at 75, and the green light indicates that I'm good to go. So again, we don't displace any functionality within Excel itself. So all the functionality that you had previously in Excel, you still have that with the Capturx add-in. And now here's the other form that I filled out. This is the typical super bill form that you would see. And again, here's the patient information, the doctor who filled out the form, the date, and then the checks that have been, the check marks that have been converted to checks in the form itself. And here are my comments down here. And again, I can review this in my handwritten ink by simply selecting the ink button here, and I can see my original handwriting. And then I can toggle back and see the converted data. So it's a simple process using Capturx software. I simply designed my form in Excel, I printed the form on ordinary paper, I filled out the form with my digital pin, I connected my pin to my PC, and that information was integrated directly into Microsoft Office Excel. And now that information is an electronic record and easily shared across your organization. As you just saw with Capturx, any medical form is easily created, customized, and printed within Excel for use with a digital pin on ordinary paper. As the forms are filled, the digital pin creates a paper backup while also automatically scanning, storing, and integrating the data back into Microsoft Office. Capturx software helps medical teams solve hard problems. In many cases, they want to review, share, and store important electronic medical records. With Capturx, teams instantly digitize paper-based records to easily share, review, and store without changing current workflows or buying expensive mobile computers. In addition, there is no scanning or rekeying of important patient information. For more information, please visit us at www.adapts.com.